What's going on, everybody? We're back for another private autocross day. We brought out the Factory 5 truck. In the last 2 or 3 weeks, we've got a few hundred new subscribers from our on the road video when we first got this thing. On the road, we took it out 2 cars and coffee. So today, we're gonna drive it a little bit harder than we have been. We have the new engine in it. We had to run through some break-in oil. Last time we were out here with this truck, this beautiful man right here.
There's my long blowing.
Yeah. He kind of blew that motor all to hell, but it's back together. It's running way better than it was before. We also have a couple other really cool cars out here. We have the Hellcat. We have the AMG GTS. We have Kane's Fox body. That thing's really bad. I'll get some close-ups of it later.
Try it out. This yours?
We have the new AMG that I just picked up. This is my daily. We'll also do a video just on that car, I don't know, in a week or two. We got the Elise. We got Jamie's STI. We're gonna be doing a photo shoot of that here in a little bit because Jamie's gonna be in some importy tunery magazine at the beginning of the year.
Importer tunery?
Yeah.
Super
street import super duper magazine. Yeah, her car's awesome.
That's not helpful. Should have rock chip? That makes me sad.
Oh no, it's like a real expensive windshield too.
Shit.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.